The Ausdom ANC10s. They're practical affordable Bluetooth headphones. They are indeed active noise cancelling, or so they say so, but with that budget price of £37, that's around 46 in US dollars, are they actually any good? Well, let's go ahead and let's find out. Hello guys and welcome back. So outside the box, it's all very nice looking. It's quite simplistic, but to the side it states that these headphones have 20 hours playback time. They have Bluetooth 5.0 built in, and they have a wired and wireless connection. Oh yes, and they are indeed foldable. Inside the box we have the ANC10s to the top. Let's just move them to the side for now, but underneath we have a micro USB charge cable. There is a simple wired 3.5mm cable which has no inline mic included. There is a multi-language user manual, and well, back to the headphones. And you know what? They don't actually look too bad, to be honest. I do like this shiny mesh material to the sides of the driver units with the Ausdom logo that is central. It just makes it stand out. The sidearms are fully extendable. The headband has that forwards and backwards smooth swivel adjustment, and they're foldable and compact. Again, I love the design and pattern to the top of the headband. Below we have some decent cushion padding, and that's the same with the earmuffs too, which are attached to these 40mm aperture drivers. These earmuffs can be unclipped and easily replaced if need be, and the whole package, well, it seems well built and doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart anytime soon. To the right hand side there is that power pairing play pause call answer button. There's a volume up and down which also acts as the previous and next track selection. There's also a 3.5mm port for that included cable, a microphone, the active noise cancellation button, and the ANC LED indicator which is situated central. Shifting over to the left hand side there is a micro USB charge port, an LED indicator, and there's some chrome edge detail which gives these headphones a nice final touch. Fully charging the 360 mAh battery takes just under 3 hours for its first charge and 2 hours after that. Pairing is quick and easy using Bluetooth 5.0. Simply select Ausdom ANC10 on your device and you will be able to use these headphones on a PC, laptop and on your TV, as long as your TV has a Bluetooth audio output. The comfort of these Ausdom ANC10s are quite comfortable sitting over my ears. They are very secure with lots of adjustment, with no discomfort, no sweat after long use, and they are certainly not going to fall off my head with ease. Sound quality was surprisingly good. Okay, bass wasn't too over the top, but it wasn't quite bad really. High levels are good. I'm glad that the mid levels are not too overpowering, and with that stereo sound, it's quite punchy. Audio is crisp, and not too of a bad music experience with most genres of music really. With the active noise cancellation on, noise is silenced somewhat from the outside world, not completely, but obviously with the ANC on, you are expected a drop in sound performance. Battery use was fantastic to be honest. Right now, I've got 23 hours use out of a full charge with 80% volume being used. And with that Bluetooth distance, well, the frequency is great too, reaching 30 feet before that signal cut off. Overall, you do get some fairly priced, good sounding, well built, solid looking headphones. They are nice and comfy to wear, easy to use when doing those hands-free calls, the buttons were very accessible, and I guess if I was to rate these out of my usual ratings out of 10, I'm going to give these ANC10 headphones a 8 out of 10. Anyway guys, I'll leave a link for these headphones in the video description down below, so go and check that link out right now and go get yours. Pack it in. While you're there, if this review helped, please go ahead and smash that like button. Please subscribe, making sure you hit that bell notification option so you guys know when my new videos hit my channel. I'll see you over on that new video coming real soon, and thanks for watching. Peace!